Hey, my lovely children, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying the worksheet, and yes, I'm getting the photographs also. And those who haven't done the practice, I'm just telling to them start doing the practice of worksheet. Okay, kids, so very good morning, all of you. This is our math class, and today is the last worksheet that we are going to do the practice today. Okay, and what is the worksheet we are going to do today? That worksheet is based on counting. Okay, like count and match, you have to count the blocks, count and write, anything is there in the worksheet, you can see it. Okay, so today's worksheet in which you have to do the counting. If you have learned the counting, then you can easily perform that worksheet. Okay, because in count and write, in count and match, you have to count counting, you have to revise the counting again and again, you have to speak the counting again and again. If you will not speak the counting, then you will not able to perform that worksheet. Okay, so first of all, before doing the practice of worksheet, we will revise the counting from 1 to 50. And how we gonna revise it? We will count with the help of some objects we are having on the table. You can also keep some objects on your table like your crayons, your pencil color, your toys, your blocks. Okay, so it is easy for you. And let's see what I'm having. I should keep that hands also that we all have prepared for learning the missing numbers. Remember, where are my that hands, so that also we can learn the counting there. Okay, so we start with these hands only. Okay, so kids, are you all ready? We'll learn the counting with the help of video clip.
Numbers 1 through 50. 1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4,
four,
5,
five,
6,
six,
7,
seven,
8,
eight,
9,
nine,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13, 14,
14,
15, 16,
16,
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So this is how we have revised the counting with some objects I am having on my table. Like this, you can also revise the counting from 1 to 50. If you keep some things on your table and keep counting, then you can learn the counting very well. Okay, now let's do the practice of same in our notebook. Okay, first of all, I'm keeping all my colors in my box and everything. Till then, you guys take out your math notebook, that is yellow notebook. All of you take out. Hey kids, this is another worksheet for you all. Okay, So I'm just holding the phone so you can look the worksheet first. This is how you have to prepare. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the work. So this is the worksheet in which what we are going to do today. We have to measure the length of these flowers. You can see the different sizes of flowers are there. Some are long, some are short, some are semi short. Okay, and I have put the mark, red mark on every flower. So only up to this mark you have to count these blocks. Okay, and after counting these blocks you have to color these blocks. Okay, and I'm gonna add up one more thing is there. You have to count the blocks and write the number over here. Okay, so let's start the work. So first flower is very long, so let's count the blocks first. I'm going to start from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many blocks are there? 10. So I'm gonna write 10 here, and then I'm gonna color these 10 blocks. Okay, so which color I'm gonna take? Yellow. It is light and it is easily visible. Okay, so I'm gonna color these blocks. Okay, so this is how you have to color these blocks and write the counted blocks number here. Okay, so this is how I did. Now come to the next one. This is another flower. You can see it is very short. Okay, so let's count these blocks. 1 2 3 4. How many blocks long this flower is? 4. So I'm gonna write 4 here, and I'm gonna color these 4 blocks with the orange color. Okay, I'm having my colors with me, so I'm gonna color these blocks. Okay, very nice, beautiful worksheets, colorful worksheet. Let's move on to the another one. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so how many blocks are there? 9. So let's color these 9 blocks. Okay, so this flower is 9 blocks long. Okay, now come to the next. This is flower. Let's count these blocks. You can color the each block with different color. आप हर एक बॉक्स को अलग कलर भी कर सकते हैं अगर आपको कलरिंग बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है तो. ओके किडीज. ओके, सो लेट्स काउंट हाउ मच लॉन्ग इट इज. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so how much long this flower is? 5. So I'm gonna write 5 here. Okay, and I'm gonna color this with the blue one. Okay, done. Okay, now come to the next. It is very small. Okay, so let's count. 1 2 3. Only 3 blocks long this flower is, and I'm gonna color it with the blue. Okay, okay, so this flower is 3 blocks long and I have written 3 here. Now come to the last one. You can add more blocks for them if you want to add. Okay, so let's count. This is the last one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How long this flower is? 8. Okay, so let's color these 8 blocks with let's see which color I am having. So I have done the yellow color. This is 8 blocks long, this is 3 blocks long, this is 5 blocks long, this is 10 blocks long, this is 4 blocks long, and this is 9 blocks long. Okay kids, so enjoy this colorful worksheet at your home. Okay kids, bye bye. So kids, here you are having another work for the worksheet. Okay, 2 questions we are going to perform in this worksheet. One is this one, okay, and another one is this one. This is very easy. You just only have to count and match with numbers. Like the 10 number is written here, so you have to find out the where are the 10 dots. Okay. Okay, so let's start the work. I have given 6 numbers here. So if you want to give कम number देने हैं तो you can give 4 or 5 numbers. Okay, it's okay. It is not compulsory that you have to give 6 numbers only. You can give as you want. Okay, so and it is also very important, you have to count each dots, then only you can find out the correct answer, and it also improves your learning skills and counting skills. Okay, so this is 10. So let's start with the red dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. No, it's not 10. And the way of counting should be like this only. ऐसे ही काउंट करना है जैसे मैम कर रही हैं, ऊपर नीचे अप डाउन, तो इजी होगा आपको एंड यू कैन काउंट ईजली. ओके, सो लेट्स काउंट आउट दिस पर्पल डॉट्स. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, we find out the correct answer 10. So let's match. Okay, next is 1 9 19. As we already know, these are 15. So let's match with 15. Okay, fine. So this is 19. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So let's match. You have to count. If you will count, then you will improve your counting skills. 1 1 11. सो आई थिंक अगर 10 डॉट्स इतनी है तो 11 थोड़ी इतनी ही होंगी. सो आई एम गोना चेक. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So let's match. 1 7 17. So I'm gonna start with pink dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So let's match with 17. Oh wait, I did the wrong here, so I'm gonna correct it. Now it is clear. So the 19 are the green dots, 17 are the pink one. Okay, and the left is orange. So let's count orange. 1 8 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. So let's match. Okay, so these are the 2 works you have to perform today for maths worksheet. Okay kids, so see you in next class. Bye bye. So kids, we have done the practice of worksheet, that is the measurement flower while counting the blocks, and identify the number and match with the following dots. Okay, so this is your last worksheet that you all have to perform. Now your holidays are coming as the Rakhi festival is coming, and I hope you all will enjoy your festival. But don't purchase the sweets from outside. Tell to your mama to prepare sweets at home and stay at home. Don't go outside. ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं जाना है. Okay? Festival is coming, and I hope your festival must be peaceful and healthy. So kids, we'll see you in the next month with some new work, with some new activities. Till then everyone, enjoy your time at home. Enjoy the festival. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all. Bye bye.